Hey guys, I'm a little hoarse today, but this song brought back a whole bunch of memories. Brought back when my uncle was still alive, when my great grandmother was still alive, and when Michael Jackson was still alive. This song will make me cry. It'll make you cry also. But I'm going to be singing "You're Not Alone." This song is for all people who have lost someone special to them this year, last year, or any of the years that comes to mind. Um, I just want to sing this to inspiration to me, and I hope you guys like it. Another day has gone. I'm still all alone. How could this be? If you're not here with me, you never said goodbye. Someone tell me why. Did you have to go? I need my love so cold. Every day I sit and ask myself, how did love slip away? Something whispered in my ears and said that you were not alone. I am here with you, though you're far away. I am here to stay. You are not alone. I am here with you, though we're far apart. You're always in my heart, but you are not alone. Alone. Just the other night, I thought I heard you cry, asking me to come and hold you in my arms. I could hear you pray, your burdens will bear. But first I need your hand, forever can begin. Every day I sit and ask myself, how did I slip away? Something whispers in my ear and says, you are not alone. I'm here with you, though you're far away. I'm here to stay. You are not alone. I'm here with you, though you're far apart. You're always in my heart, but you are not alone. Whisper through words to now come running in time. And girl, you know that I'll be there, be there. You are not alone. I'm here with you. Though you're far away, I'm here to stay. You are not alone. I'm here with you. Though we're far apart, you're always in my heart. You are not alone. I'm here with you. I'm here to stay. You are in my heart. You're not alone. You're not alone. Say it again. You're not alone. You're not alone. Not alone. Not alone. You just reach your hand off me, girl. In the morning, in the evening. Not alone. Not alone. You and me. Not alone. No. Together, 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 God, got to be alone, got to be alone. Oh. Thank you guys. Please comment and subscribe.